Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and like I promised on Twitter, I was going to show you guys how to get the latest version of CheckRain working on your MacBook with conjunction with the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 13.2.3. And it's basically a very simple thing to change on the interface itself in order for it to be compatible with the latest version of iOS. All you need is a hex editor and some time to put in. Of course, this is only for Mac at the moment. So if you guys don't have CheckRain installed on your guys' MacBook, go ahead and click the link inside of the description. Get the latest beta right here. As of making this video, CheckRain version 0.9.5 beta is out, and I'm pretty sure if there is a new update in the future, that there is going to be compatible or compatibility at least with the latest version. So this video might not necessarily be advised to use with later versions, but just make sure to check the changelog. But for right now, since iOS 13.2.3 is released and CheckRain 0.9.5 only works up to 13.2.2, here's how to fix it. So go ahead and download this, install it in your MacBook, and then what you want to do is you want to hit Finder, and then you want to right click on CheckRain. As you guys can see, hit Show Package Contents, hit Contents, Mac OS, and then you guys will see CheckRain_.gui as an exe file. And then what you guys want to do is you want to click on a hex editor program. I'm going to be using iHex from the Mac App Store. Then from here, just go ahead and just drag and drop in here. I already changed it, so basically this is exactly what you're going to do. So you're just going to do Command F or hit Find inside of the whole entire program. Where it says find, just type in 13.2.2, but in my case I'm gonna do 3 just to show you. I'm gonna hit enter, and as you guys can see, it says Mac supported version 13.2.3 since I already changed it. But in your case, you guys will want to do 13.2.2, and then it'll basically pop up the same place except with a 0.2 right here. And then just go ahead and do replace. Just hit 13.2.3 and then hit replace. And then this will go ahead and change to 13.2.3. From there, just go ahead and close everything out, save it, and then just rerun the whole entire program again, and then connect your device, follow the instructions, and then you guys should be good to go and jailbreaking on iOS 13.2.3. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Fairly quick and easy tutorial on how to do it. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Go ahead and also click on the link inside of the description to join my Discord channel. If you guys would like. Don't forget to also follow me on my social medias as well to be up to date on tweaks as well as my personal life, anything I want to tweet. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks signing out.